Hello and welcome to Fix It channel. There are times when working with old laptops or desktop, you will have an outdated date problem in CMOS. It will not be evident until you use a modern browser like Chrome or Firefox. There are two solutions you could do. One is change the date via user interface, and two, change the date via command from on an elevated level. There you have it. We have solved another problem. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have other requests for a video tutorial, please write the comment below. Thank you.